Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have the first of the October unboxings for you today everybody, and it is from, nearly dropped the box, it is from Look Fantastic. This is the first one on the doorstep this month, so we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. But what is Look Fantastic? Well, this is a UK based subscription box, a beauty subscription box. They do ship worldwide. It costs £15 a month, and that's including your delivery, and you always get 6 items within the box. The total RRP value is at least £50 plus. I actually signed up on a special offer, so I prepaid for 12 months, or I signed in for 12 months, and I actually get my boxes slightly reduced at £13 a month. So, like I say, let's open it up and have a see on what we've got in October. Okay, so taking it out the box, we have this beautiful sort of bluey colour box this month, and the highlights on it are like a lilac-y colour. I think that's absolutely stunning, definitely my sort of colour scheme with the blues. So we'll open her up and take the lid off. There we go. So we've got the coordinating lilac paper with a blue sticker inside. We always get a little leaflety magazine-y thing with Look Fantastic. This tells us all about the products inside, their RRP values, and a little bit about the products and how to use them, etc. So I'll refer to this as we go along. The first thing I can smell something that smells absolutely gorgeous. So, let's get in. Ooh. Okay, wow, it's quite a big, bulky box this month. There we go, everybody. So straight away, on the top, we have this. It's by the company Bubble Tea Bath and Body Stuff, and it's an Earl Grey bath tea. Okay, this is a 100-gram packet or sachet. Here we go, I'll hold that up for you. So it says, after a long day, fill your tub with delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea, containing 100 grams of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Alrighty. Well, unfortunately, I'm not somebody who ever has baths. I mean, literally maybe once a year if I'm lucky. However, my husband has a bath every night. I'm a shower girl, you know. So, I think it's this that I can smell. It smells really, really lovely. Let me just see if I can find any information about it. This has an RRP value of £5.99. It really does. I think it is this that I can smell. I'm sure I can smell like eucalyptus and stuff like that coming out. So I'll be giving that to the husband, and he will be trialling that for me and feeding back as to what he thinks of the product. But that is item number 1, something for the bath. And item number 2 is by the company Starskin. I have had a facial mask from this company before, not used it yet, but it did come in another, I don't know if it was Look Fantastic or Glossy Box, but it did come in another subscription box. But this is the Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. There we go. So it looks like, looking at the pictures on the back, it looks like the little gel eye masks that you just pop underneath. And there we go, and there'll be 1 pair in here. You'll receive either this one or the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy patches. So it will be, you know, you will get eye patches. It's just whether it's the Starskin or the Beauty Pro ones. This has a RRP of £4.25. I love eye masks. I love the gel eye masks. So yeah, my stash is starting to go down a wee bit. So that'll just top it up. So that's fantastic. That's item number 2. Item number 3 is really quite big. It's by the company G Love, and it says, and relax. And it's a soft hair wrap, a super absorbent hair towel to help with shorter drying time. there we go. It comes in a resealable bag like that with a little ziplocky thing on the top. And we'll just take it out. Here we go. Alrighty. Okay, so it's like a big hood or snood or whatever. It's this that smells absolutely divine, I have to say. Yeah, this smells lovely and it's absolutely massive. So, looking at the picture on how to use it, you literally, by the looks of things, you put it on like the back there, and then you bring it up, twist it around, and then tuck it underneath. There we go. And you know what? You could use that for putting your makeup on, for drying your hair, for keeping your hair out your face when you're getting ready. Absolutely brilliant. And you know what? This sort of product was something that I said in my review of my glossy box last month that we should have had in there, because the glossy box in September was a spa theme, and I was just like, you know, they could have done a lot more with that theme, and maybe adding in something like this would have been a jolly good idea. Well, there you go, guys. We've got it in Look Fantastic this month. So that is item number 3, and actually very, very comfortable. There we go. I'm going to take that off just because otherwise my hair will get really flat and weird. But yeah, item number 3, and that has an RRP of $14.99. There we go. And it's actually got like a little, I've just noticed it's got like a button on it. So, I see. There's like a little elastic thing underneath. Twizzle it round, and when it pops it over, you can then secure it onto the elastic loop and it'll keep it on your head. So there we go. I really, really like that. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to stick that in the washing machine. Let's have a look. Yeah, 30 degrees it says. Oh, back in its bag. Woohoo! Alrighty. So the next item out the box is by the company eCooking, and it's an overnight foot cream. And I'm just wondering if this is what I can smell. So I'm just reading down here in the little leaflet, and it says, with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. It's vegan and dermatologically tested. Excuse me. And the RRP of this is £8.10. So it's this that I can smell. I knew I could smell eucalyptus somewhere. Lovely. There we go. Ooh, and it really is a thick foot cream. There we go. Very, very thick. Oh, it smells divine. I'm just going to pop a little on my wrist here. Now, a little does go an awful long way, it has to be said. Oh yeah, you can smell the eucalyptus, you can smell the menthol. You can also smell some other natural ingredients in there. That is going to be lovely. And you know what? I don't know about you, but my feet often do get neglected. It's just not somewhere I think to do anything with. So maybe now I've got this little product, it might encourage me to take a little bit more care of my feet. You know, they do go through a bit of hammer every day, don't they? So there we go, that's item number 4. Item number 5 is by the brand Balance Me. Now, I've had a few items from this skincare brand over the past year or so in subscription boxes, and I have not been disappointed yet, I don't think. The vitamin C serum, if I remember rightly, was a wee bit on the sticky side. It wasn't my favourite vitamin C serum, but their Wonder Eye Cream is divine. I absolutely love that one, I have to say. This is a new product for me. I've not used this one before, and it's the Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. Here we go. This has an RRP of £11, and it's a 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative. providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result, smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production and reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Woohoo! So there we go. So this bakuchiol is a plant-based retinol alternative. Who knew? So I'll be very interested to try that out, and it'll go up in my box in my bedroom, ready and waiting for when I need to open a new serum. Item number 5. And item number 6 is by the brand By Terry. I do know about this brand. I've got, what have I got from them? I've got a pastel eye palette. I've got a couple of lip products by them. This is their Balm de Rose, and it's the Flake Net. It's a travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. This is infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E. It glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine. Perfect for on-the-go nourishment. Okay, and this is actually like a doe foot. So it's a doe foot lip balm, which, to be perfectly honest, I don't think I've ever seen a lip balm quite come in this componentry before. I have had the little tub of this lip balm before, and I've actually gifted it away because it is so rosy smelling, and I'm not a rose fan. Yeah, this is, again, it is literally the same product. I do like the fact that it comes like this with the doe foot, so you can just pop it on, you know, when you want a little bit of lip balm. This has got an RRP of £14. By Terry it's not a cheap brand. It's quite a high-end brand. So to receive this in a subscription box, you know, you're only paying I'm only paying £13 for the box. So, you know, it really, yeah, it is a nice brand, it is a nice make. Like I say, I have gone on to purchase some of their other products due to being introduced to the brand from these subscription boxes. Like I say, if you are somebody who like me does not like rosy scents or overly heavy rosy scents, this is not going to be a product for you. So that's everything. That was item number 6. So let's just do a quick tot up and a roundup and see if we can add all the RRP values together to see whether or not this is a worthwhile box this month. So we've got our G Love hair wrap worth £15. We've got our By Terry Balm de Rose lip balm worth £14. So that's £29. We've then got the e-cooking foot cream, overnight foot cream, worth £8. So that's £37. We have then got the Balance Me serum worth £11, that's £48. We have the bath salts, the bubble tea bath salts, worth £6, so that's £54. Oops, I'm not going to be able to hold everything. And we've got our Star Skin eye patches worth just over £4. So in total, we have got £58 worth of products in a box that, products in a box which, even at the full size, is only costing you £15. So you're getting nearly 4 times the cost of the box back in the products that you're receiving. For me personally, like I say, I pay £13 a month. So this is about 4.5 times what I pay for the box. So what do I think to this box overall? I actually think I really like this box. I really, really do. I love the fact that we've got some different items in there. Like the e-cooking foot cream, like I say, it's not a product that I use an awful lot, but you know what, just by having it might just encourage me to look after my feet a bit better. Eye patches, always great, because you only ever get 1 pair in these packets, so obviously, you know, you can't reuse them, you have to throw away afterwards. So I'm always, you know, I'm never upset to get eye patches in a subscription box. The lip balm, yeah, It's a nice product, it's a lovely product. It's just, we've had an awful lot of lip balms this year in subscription boxes. However, this is a bit different. It's in that sort of more, you know, you could get away with thinking that was a lip gloss, you know, or using it as a lip gloss. So I do like the fact that it is slightly different, even though it is still a lip balm. The By Terry brand, like I say, is not a cheap brand, it is a high-end brand, so it is nice to have that sort of product in the box as well. Really excited to be trying this out, this new Balance Me Serum. Like I say, I haven't been disappointed in any of the products I've tried from this brand, so again, nice to have that in there. The bath salts. Excuse me, I think this is lovely, I really, really do. The last set of bath salts that I think I received in a subscription box was from Medusa's Makeup, and I ended up gifting those away to a friend's daughter because they were all pink and glittery and what have you. Other than that, the only other ones that we'd used, I don't know whether it was by Bubble Tea, but it was in the Devil box, a glossy box, last October, and again my husband tried those out and it was like a bath powder and it was really, really lovely. He really thoroughly enjoyed using that because it was a powder rather than like the salts. It really dispersed and melted into the water very, very nicely. And then this I think is my favourite product this month. I think it's absolutely fantastic. You can use it for all sorts, when you're dyeing your hair, when you're drying your hair, getting ready to keep your hair out your face, if you're doing your makeup, if you've got really, really long hair. Yeah, I really, really like this product. Again, something a bit different, never received anything like this. The nearest I've had in a subscription box was in February's Rocker Box when we got a shower cap. So yeah, very, very pleased with that box. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section below, guys. Which was your favourite product out of this month's box? Do you think it's a good value box? Is it a box you'd be interested in if you're not already receiving it? All your thoughts and feelings and your feedback, please, down in that comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you consider joining me on my YouTube journey. If so, please hit that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. I don't just do beauty subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks. I have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter, 8 PM GMT. Please do bring your favourite beverage, a willingness to join in, and an open, caring mind. It is basically a virtual get-together where we just go in, have a natter about what's been happening over the previous week. If you'd like to ask for any product recommendations, or you've got any advice to give, that is the place to be, guys. So I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.